You are going to love the 2019 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.